What's going on, traders? If you're new here or you haven't quite heard just yet, I'm giving away 5% of my Apex affiliation money once a month on a Friday night live stream. Once I get paid, we're going to shoot the shit, have a beer, just talk in general, trading, life, everything. But during that stream, at some point, I'm going to be giving away 5% of my Apex affiliation money. So if you're using a code already, why not use mine? Give yourself a chance to win some money back. And with that, let's get to the video. So I figured I'd make a quick video for today because we actually did get trades other than the open. What a pretty crazy day overall. To go over to the open trade, I'm actually going to have to go over to the MNQ because somehow over the weekend, or I have no idea exactly what happened, but my default load up was on to MNQ. And in a way, I am very thankful. I was very lucky today because had we been on the NQ and had the trade worked out exactly the same, I don't know if it was to the same tick on the NQ, I didn't check, but we had our take profit at 15 ticks. It went 11. We missed it by 4. And had we have kept it there, I would have been fine. But after I realized we were on the MNQ, I decided to see if we could let this run, maybe get a big move to the upside and try to use those 5 contracts that I had loaded and the 5 contracts that we were in here on the MNQ, see if we could actually make something of them. I knew that had it come back down and broke this low, we were going to lose like 250 bucks. It ended up being like 235, I want to say. So it really wasn't that bad to give it the opportunity to try to let it run. But as you can see, it didn't work. So to start the day, we ended up down 235. Could have been up like, I don't know, like 30, 40 bucks if we would have took those 15 ticks. I don't know exactly what it would have been. I guess it would have been, if we were looking to make 370, it would have been $37-ish. And then, so then we switched back over to the NQ and we would have, I did the math, by the way, on the NQ, we would have lost the account had we been on the NQ for the opening trade and it worked out the same way. It would have just that initial burst down after it faked us out and we didn't get our fill, it would have took us out. And then we just scalped through trades. This one I'm a little mad at myself for because it didn't quite get to the bands, but it was a pretty nice move and it was a big candle, some small candles, and another big candle, pretty close to the bands, took it. And yeah, would have been better off if we held it to the line, but not by much. So pretty proud of myself for just taking it off because pretty much we nailed the top of that green candle, as you can see, and it worked out. It was no stress. Then we actually loaded 15 ticks and we took a 15 tick trade here when it hit the bands, and then we actually just took another one over here on this move down and got it on the way back up, which brought us back green for the day. So can't really complain. It counts as a day, as well as got us back closer to the payout. Hopefully tomorrow the opening trade goes well. And that's all I got for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Always appreciate the support. If you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. You can find me in Discord or over on Twitter. And I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.